It's the male pileated woodpecker. Look, you can tell the difference because he has that. Look, the other woodpeckers out there, Isabel. He has the red mustache on the side. Wow. Spectacular. Can you see it, Isabel? You could pull up their little stool over here, dear. Can you see him on the side over there? Wow, this guy is beautiful. Well, he's on this side of the display, so if you come over here, I think you might even be able to see him better. Yeah, come on over here and get up on your stool. Look how big he is, yikes. I hope we can get to see him fly away with the... I think he's going to go over the tree, so we might see his underwing. Oh, he's all white underneath. Looking around. There you go, see the way? And on a tree over there somewhere. Oh, he's way up there now, we can see him. What they typically do, fly over that tree, or when they usually have a favorite tree. Walk up until they get pick and feed as they go. Can you see him? There. Kind of hop up the side of trees. They have little holes drilled all along the trees there where they pick up bugs and sap and things. You can still see him, he's moving, still moving a bit. Yep, there he goes. Wonderful.